For TraderInsight.com, I'm Julie Mans, and these are trade ideas for Friday, August 31st. All right, first let's look at the ideas I gave you for today. This is JBL. This had a potential, I thought, either way. What is nice is it opened in line with yesterday's close, pulled down above this pivot level before, well, actually a couple times, and then made a couple different pivot runs. So it wasn't a giant amount here, but slow and steady, and throughout the day it had some potential. Here's the other one, CB. This also had a really nice move to the downside from these levels that we were trying to find at Tuesday's levels. You can see it's opened up here, came back up to its central pivot, and then had a nice move to the downside with a couple different pivot runs on that one also. So I hope some of you got those and capitalized on these ideas. For tomorrow, I have two ideas. One is in PLD. This was on our trading plan for today. It did go down, really not as far as we were hoping. We had an entry that was down at 67, and it's really not done much. So what I will look for tomorrow is see if we don't have follow through to come down to levels over here on the daily. This is WELL, Well Tower. This one also, as you can see, had a wide consolidation of a pause day. I'm going to look for some more follow through to the downside tomorrow also. One side note is we did have Apple as a long on our scalper plan today. I just wanted to point out it made a beautiful move. These are also just moves that are fantastic on days when the market is slow, and we watch these go pivot to pivot on our plan. These are the bands we had on our plan from the night before. You can see Apple opened with some strength in the pre-market and then came straight back down from this pivot level down into our bands and moved beautifully up through them. Had one more shot at the upper bands and then went to the moon. So Apple was one of those trades for today that was actually a big potential profit. All right, I hope everyone had a great trading day. Tomorrow's the last day before the Labor Day holiday, so we're going to be watching the volume and making sure that that things are actually moving, but we're looking forward to starting the fall.